Unlock the power of your Propstream data by seamlessly transferring it to Google Sheets for ultimate analysis and collaboration. First, let's navigate to the property data within Propstream that you want to export once you've found your desired list or search results. You'll need to select the specific columns of information you want to copy. Look for checkboxes or a selection tool within Propstream's interface to mark the fields like address, owner name, estimated value, and any other relevant details. With your data meticulously selected, the next step is to execute the copy command in Propstream. Locate the copy or export button. Clicking this will transfer the highlighted data to your computer's clipboard, ready for its new home. Now switch over to your Google Sheet by default. When you paste, the data will begin at the top left cell, which is usually A1. Make sure your cursor is actively blinking in this starting cell. Finally, it's time to paste. On your keyboard, use the standard paste command. This is typically Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. Watch as your Propstream data magically populates your Google Sheet, neatly organized into columns and rows, ready for your analysis, filtering, or sharing with your team. And that's how you effortlessly move your valuable Propstream insights into Google Sheets, making your real estate research and decision-making more efficient than ever before.